Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you my special way of cooking beans and plantain porridge. Honestly, this tasted so super delicious. Try it out and you cannot resist the deliciousness of this recipe. If you really want to know how I make this, join me and let me show you how I prepare this. For this recipe, we are going to be needing black eye beans, well picked. Make sure you pick any particles or dates. So next, I went ahead to give the beans a properly wash. You can as well use brown beans for this recipe. At this point, I'm done washing the beans. So the next, in a pot of boiling water, I went ahead and poured in the beans and give it a properly stir, cover and brings to a boil. Some minutes later, I checked on the pot. As you can see, the beans is boiling and the water is stuck. So the next is to drain out the water. So I repeated this process for the second time. Let me know in the comment section if you drain your beans water out and how many times, okay? So this is the final process, okay? So next I'll be using pressure pot for this recipe. So I went ahead and poured in the parboiled beans, some water to the level of the beans. Give it a properly stir, cover and allow to cook until it is well tender and soft, okay? Next, we are going to be needing some ripe plantain. So I went ahead to peel off the skin. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you did. Once that is done, cut to your desired size or shape. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And there for put call we active. We are done cutting the plantain, so next we are checking on the beans. Yeah, the beans is well cooked and soft. So before then, you have to allow the pressure pot to cool down, yeah, before opening, yeah. So as you can see, the beans is super good. So next, in my cooking pot, I transfer the cooked beans into the pot. Anytime, any place where you stay. Now add the plantains. I went ahead to season with some chopped onions, the red, the whites. Add some season cubes, some crayfish, add to your taste, fresh pepper, red palm oil. At this point, I added some water to the level of the beans. Please make sure not to overwater the beans. Remember, the beans is already cooked, okay? So I'll be adding some salt to taste. Once done, cover the pot and let it cook until the water thickens and plantain well cooked. Some minutes later, we are checking on the beans. As you can see, yeah, the beans is well cooked, yeah. So I went ahead to give it a properly stir. You can as well mash the plantain if this is how you prefer. Yeah, so you can see how thickened, how soft. This is how we love it here in my home. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. So it is time to serve. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much. The beans and plantain tasted super delicious that you cannot resist. Hope you try it out. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next one. Remember, blessed. Bye.